In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OTP login to WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process of setting up a simple, secure one-time password, or OTP, login using a WordPress plugin. By the end, your customers will be able to log in using a code sent to their phone, which can make the login process both safer and more convenient. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the option labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over Plugins, and from the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This is where you can search for and install new features for your site. At the top right, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type SMS login, then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now search the plugin directory and show you a list of results related to SMS and OTP login. From the search results, look for the plugin named Mini Orange OTP Login, Verification, and SMS Notifications. Once you see it, click on the plugin name to open its details page. Here you can quickly review what it does, but what we need to do is install it. On the right side, click the Install button, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. Activating the plugin turns it on and makes it available in your site's settings. After activation, WordPress will take you back to your list of installed plugins. Scroll through this list until you see the Mini Orange plugin. Under its name, you'll see a Settings link. Click that link to open the Mini Orange dashboard inside WordPress. Now you're in the Mini Orange settings area. Look again at the left-hand side. Within the plugin interface, click on Settings. This is where you'll configure how OTP login works on your site. Under the General Settings tab, choose a default country code. This is the country code that will appear by default in the phone field. You can also decide whether to show a country code drop-down on the phone field. Enabling this drop-down is helpful if you have users from multiple countries. In this same area, you can add blocked phone numbers if there are specific numbers you don't want to allow for OTP login. Next, go to the Edit Messages section. Here you can customize the phone messages that are sent to your users, such as the content of the OTP text. Make sure the message is clear so users understand that it's a one-time code and how to use it. Once you've adjusted your general settings and edited your messages, remember to save your changes in both sections. Saving ensures that your configuration is applied and that OTP login will work properly on your WooCommerce site.